In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own Game Pass shop UI inside of Roblox Studio. So first, as you can see here, I just made a little screen GUI, added a frame, made it look nice, added a close button and title. First, we're actually going to get to scripting the close button. So inside of the close button, add in a local script, name it to close script, and then type script.parent.mousebutton one click connect function script.parent.parent.parent.enable equals the false. So now if we test it, we could see that when we click this button, it disabled the GUI. And in case you're wondering why I'm not using visible, it's because enabled is affecting the actual UI, not just a single frame. So like if I were to add multiple frames inside this, it's more efficient to just use enabled. So then you don't have to do frame one dot visible and so on. All right, so now we do actually need a button. So inside of start GUI, add in a screen GUI, name it to Gamepass store button, and inside of it add in an image button. The background color to blue. For now, we're just going to make the image invisible just so we know how the actual button looks. And now we're going to add a UI corner, name the image button Open Game Pass UI. And now inside of it, add in a local script and name it to Open Store UI. Then type in local player GUI equals the game dot players dot local player wait for child player GUI. And now go down 2 lines and type script dot parent dot mouse button one click connect function, and then type players GUI dot game pass UI, or whatever you name this UI here, dot enabled equals the true. So now we can see that if we make this disabled, and if we click this button, we can see that it opens the shop, and now we can click this close button to close it, and we can keep doing that. So I'm just going to make this image the cart icon I made. And if you want to be fancy, you can also add in a text label, scale it down a little bit, set background transparency to 1, set text scale to true, and make text something like store. And just so it's a little bigger and easier to read, make it bold. And there we go, we have a simple store button. So now you're probably sitting there wondering, what the heck, where are all the game passes? Well, that's actually what we're going to add next. So now inside this frame, we are going to add in a text button. I'm going to make it about 150 by 150. All right, because then we can move this. But anyways, we're going to set the background color to something like gray so it's easy to read. Add a UI corner. Set the text to, I don't know, we'll do like, for example, 2 times coins, and set text scale to true. All right, so now that we have that, we're going to name this double coins button. And now what we're going to do is add in a local script and name it to buy Game Pass. And first what we're going to have to do, we're actually going to have to publish this to Roblox. All right, because for this, we are actually going to need to add a Game Pass. So go to monetization in the Creator Hub and click on passes and click on create pass. And we're just going to name this 2x coins. And now basically what you're going to do is copy this pass ID. What you're going to do, go back into your game and type in local marketplace service equals the game get service marketplace service. Then type in local Game Pass ID equals to, and then paste our Game Pass ID here. Then up here, type in local player equals to game.players.local player. Then type script.parent.mousebutton one click connect function. Go down line and then type marketplace service prompt Game Pass purchase. Then type in player, Game Pass ID. So now if we test it, we can see that when we click it, it says we already own this item. But if I were an account that didn't have it, then it would prompt it. So that works. And in case you're wondering how to add more, all you need to do is just duplicate this, rename it to something like double gems button or something, and then just type like 2x gems and just repeat this. But instead of this ID, all you would do is just create a new game pass called double gems or something and paste whatever the ID is in here. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on how to make the game passes actually give the player benefits like double coins or double gems, then don't forget to leave a comment saying if you want that. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.